Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, the government effort to lessen the plight of the homeless population has seen some amount of success, with around 68 persons being rehabilitated and returned to their families since 2020, according to local government minister Desmond McKenzie. Speaking recently on the occasion of World Homeless Day, McKenzie praised the efforts of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, which he said has been continuing a program to assist homeless persons. My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? Who is doing all of these things? Let me see if them are go back, go talk about 18 years. Because the last time I checked, 9 years now, Andrew Holness in power. And he never did a look on the homeless people, them. He never did even turn his head left or right on the homeless people, them. But our mayor Swaby, my wisdom warriors, our new mayor will take over Kingston and St. Andrew. Wanna see what he is doing for Jamaica? Wanna see what he's doing? You know the reason why I have to take up this here? Desmond McKenzie come out and talk. But the Labour right them, it appraise Andrew Holness and Desmond McKenzie. Hello? No. This was the Mayor Swaby idea. This was PNP idea. So let me see if you can tell me about everything PNP are going to take. It was Mayor Swaby idea. You didn't know that? You didn't know that? So how you come out, on the Labour right, come out and talk about government. I talk about Desmond McKenzie. And hello? Andrew Holness and Desmond McKenzie. And Feder, the former mayor. Him never did a look on the homeless people, them. Him never did a look on the homeless people, them. From the time when me see Beryl did a come my wisdom warriors. And me see the way how Mayor Swaby was helping the homeless people. Me know say he is a good man. And you know that too. You know that too, PNP. You know that too. So when Desmond McKenzie come out, you see, remember he come out, and the paper said he is praising KSAMC. But Labour right them out here cuss PNP. Me can't understand. Me see them, my wisdom warriors, in the comment section. Me hear them attack. How can you cussing PNP when this was all PNP idea? It is Mayor Swaby doing it. Hello? And true, because it is a good news that Desmond McKenzie had delivered it. It shouldn't be like that. And Mayor Swaby for deliver the news, not Desmond. Not Desmond. Because uno na give what due to Caesar. Uno na give it. You understand? But my wisdom warriors, let me tell you something. The Mayor Swaby is doing a wonderful job. He is doing a wonderful job, my wisdom warriors. And you know what? I am so pleased. I am so pleased and I am so happy. 68 persons. 68 persons. They say around 68 persons being rehabilitated and returned to their family since 2020. You can imagine that? Who do all of this? Who start this? This wasn't Andrew Holness' plan. Hello? This is Mayor Swaby, the PNP idea. Not phone. Someone want to come out and talk about PNP now. Do not look, see? Look what Andrew Holness do for the homeless. Andrew Holness don't do nothing for the homeless people, them. So please, you just go on one go. You just go on and stop chat rubbish. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this. The Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERHA, says the recent investment of over 530 million to upgrade health facilities across the parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine and St. Thomas marks a significant commitment to improving healthcare infrastructure. Financing from the government of Jamaica has greatly contributed to major transformation processes aimed at expanding and modernizing health facilities to meet the demands of our growing society, Sir has said in a press release today. My wisdom warriors, you know what I want to say? Andrew Holness is under ongoing investigation, yeah, for illicit enrichment, stealing money, yeah. Andrew Holness, the government, they're not supposed to handle our financial affairs. Uno agree with me? Yes or no? Uno agree with me? Uno think that Andrew Holness should be still handling our financial affairs? Uno think that Jamaica? No, I don't believe that. They should step aside. Whosoever is under ongoing investigation, they should step aside. Andrew Holness, Nigel Clark, the all of them, the whole shebang, they should step aside. You understand? Now them come out and say 530 million them are going to invest in a SERHA. 530 million. You know them already, my wisdom warriors. When you hear them come out and call one figure, you know say only 2 million alone they must spend out there. And then the rest, you don't know what will happen after that. The other problem we have is, on claim say una invest 530 million in a SERHA health facilities. Yeah? But what I can't understand, the hospitals, they need equipment. The hospital, they need resources. This is just common sense. Why don't you equip all the hospital? I'll use that 530 million. Equip all the hospital. Wally hospital need beds. Them need things, Christopher Tufton. Me not hear you. Me not hear you come out from what they are defend Andrew. Me not know what go on with you. You just out here a show off like you do whole heap for Jamaica and for the hospital. But you're not doing nothing. You're next one. You must think you get away. You not get away. You not get away. Because we need medication. I'm not hearing anything. People are still struggling to get medication, to buy medication. We need medication. We need equipment. We need resources in the hospital, like beds and so forth. We need things. So why don't you guys use on the common sense and equip the hospital them all over Jamaica? Me not understand. Me not understand. Equip the accident and emergency. You was the same very person Christopher Tufton came out and said, not all of the accident and emergency are going to deal with an urgent case. And that you say, why was that? So you need to equip the hospital. This is what you need to do. But my wisdom warriors, want to know, for them motto, them put wealth over health. And no matter how much infrastructure you build, Andrew Holness, because your wife is a real estate developer, no matter how much infrastructure you build, if a healthcare system is not on point, your country will be a failed country. Let me tell you. Because you see through them a real estate developer, my wisdom warriors, them just a bill. They not care what them bill, as long as them bill, because it a benefit them pockets and them 28 accounts. I want to look into this, you know. Labor right there now look into it, you know. They must say, oh, look, man, bill, whatever. But who a top contractor? My wisdom warriors, the labor right, them a confess taking this.
After the labor right, run Portland to the ground dry. No roads but riverbed. Nothing, no water coming a pipe. Nothing for years. We had nothing. Bus system was.
Andrew Holness cannot use no form of decency, no form of politeness, no form of truth, no form of integrity and beat Mark Golden. It's impossible. Me attack to you now, labor rights. One super debris we wash from everywhere. And then just throw them out, them just spread out all over the internet, people. And if you, an intelligent person, ever drop in a them circle, you don't need that. We lead and understand that, so we don't understand that too. Yeah, man. Lowest of the low. Yeah.
What a shame and disgrace, ye my wisdom warriors. Wanna hear from the vampires, them. Hey, Lord Jesus. What a disgrace. When I see it, my wisdom warriors, I say me have to drop this pan uno. Uno have to inna it. If me inna the red, uno have to inna the red too. Me have to come complete make uno ear wagwan, cause me know say I know everybody see it. You understand me? The serpent them talk out the business, my wisdom warriors. You know see? Listen, Andrew Holness don't have no integrity at all. He can't walk in a Marky G shoes. He cannot walk in Marky G shoes. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. I want to take in Lisa Anna.
Serious problem. The roads are breaking away. I hear what you say in terms of the technical incapacity of some of the documents that you're seeing coming before you, which should not happen. But nobody, the people we represent, don't care about that. They don't. And so we are at risk. I had a situation where I finally, through the parish council, was getting a road fixed about a month ago. The young man was 32, carrying the second load of marl. The road broke because of how, and he died. The truck with the marl plunged into the gully and crushed him. He was 32 years old and somebody who does work for us. What is happening with the rain, the existing road conditions in some of our areas for roads that are on the programs to be fixed are getting into a more deplorable condition, and people in Kingston and St. Andrew and Portmore and urban St. James are not feeling it. People up in a Guys Hill, Blackstone Edge, people out in Martha Bray, people out in Mile Gully, people out in Junction. Well, Junction kind of good. Nothing wrong with Junction, but it's a serious issue. And they are my constituency, and I would dare say the member from North Trelawney, and perhaps East Rural St. Andrew are the largest constituencies geographically in this country. And we're having problems. So if you can even guide, you know, like when I don't want to say it, but if we can find a way to fast track the procurement on some of these roads, because you're not feeling it, but we're feeling the dangers. We're having a serious problem.
So my wisdom warriors, you know from when Lisa Anna attack, you know from when Lisa Anna attack, you have some people, me see like the Labour right them come out and I say Lisa Anna left. Lisa Anna not left because Mark Golding. Lisa Anna left because the government, they are not doing what they're supposed to do. The government, they lied all the time. You understand? Lisa Anna is trying so hard. You know how much time I see this lady going to parliament? You know how much time I see she going to parliament and I talk up the things them and I show them, even go down and feed them level. And I say, look at this. Such and such and such and such. And them turn a blind eye to it. The woman tired of it. So no stop talk about true Mark Golding. Not a Mark Golding. Not a Mark Golding. I want to see him government on the dirty government. And him cause the problem. Because what they're supposed to do, they're not doing. Just like how she tell them about the road, my wisdom warriors. Yeah? How the road is breaking badly. And them now look. Even now, remember the man other day a few days ago was John in at the patrol. Listen, there's a lot of road need to fix all over Jamaica. And the people them are protest. I saw the people them protest and you know look. Andrew is focusing on toll and them something there. You see the road them when they make money up there so Andrew Holness a look pan. Remember, so you have road in the rural area, you know. Remember you have road in the rural area where taxi driver run pan my wisdom warriors need to be fixed urgently. It is an emergency. But Andrew Holness them still not do nothing. Because them are going to do it in my wisdom warriors, but them are wait till it near to election so they can buy on out. You understand? So them really and truly they don't care about on a life. Because if you hear about that pothole, my wisdom wise, the first thing you're going to do as a minister, you're going to go and you're going to start fix the road them. But no, Andrew honest, they ain't gone on Mandela Highway. They ain't gone up there, so they might pay highway, they ain't gone on fix the road. What about the road them where the taxi driver them run pan? What about the rural areas? Huh? Just because uno no in the area, uno not drive on the road, that no means say uno fi turn a blind eye to it. People are lose them life, you know. Taxi driver them carry a mash up in my wisdom warriors on the road, you know. Right now the taxi driver them out a protest, you know. Take in this. School children were among commuters left stranded following a roadblock and withdrawal of service by taxi operators over deplorable road conditions in Mile Gully, Manchester on Monday morning. Principal of Mile Gully High, Christopher Time, said only a small percentage of his students turn up for school due to the protests. My wisdom warriors. You know, see when I try to show you, taxi drivers them have to out and a protest, but taxi drivers, me no want to no come out a protest now one day. When you now come out, man, you plan for a week. Plan for a week, brother. Plan for a week. 2 days straight, 3 days, 4 days straight. Come out and protest. Come out in the numbers. And I don't know what, I don't know, you have all heap of other taxi operators. You can't stay there, no. You can't stay there, no, come out and protest. Listen, not only road, you for protest, but, you know. Not only road, because if you ever know the plan where Andrew Holness have for you soon start run taxi. You soon start run taxi. Andrew Holness I go tell you say if you go drive a bus and get minimum wage. At that Andrew Holness I go tell you no. So you stay there. Stay there and start lick out against this bus thing. Digital bus thing where Daryl Vaz and Andrew Holness are bringing. No, do not everybody hear like they think a good thing. No for no taxi operators, you not go feel it because we wanna earn a week time. And a minimum wage, you not get it now. And a minimum wage. But no for if you go give up or go do Uber or go drive a bus them. But you probably say, well, I thought for the press talk about. But if you make the mistake and make Andrew Holness win, you not go see. You not go me say every day you not go talk about this a channel here. Every day, you know, I go say one thing with Atta for the press a long time. Share one way, you know. But you know, I go see. If you never make the mistake and make Mr. 28 account win, a hell and powder house. Hell and powder house. Not for you alone, you know, all for me too. For you all away. This is why I'm out here, you know, my wisdom warriors. This is why I'm out here, you know. And I open up the people, them, you know, but they know what go on, you know. Me, I do it for myself, too, you know. My children, too, you know. Jah know. But me like the way how the driver them a come out on a protest. But me want to all on stand together. All taxi operators. Brother, me want to all on stand together, man. What do you know, man? What do you know? My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Take in this. Member of Parliament for Western Portland, Daryl Vaz, says he is willing to take a leave of absence from cabinet to help Prime Minister Andrew Holness win the next general election. My wisdom warriors, tell me if these people are desperate. This is desperation. If Una say Una is doing good and PNP are doing the worst, why you have to take leave? My wisdom warriors, Una say PNP I give them a run for them money. Una say PNP I give them running belly. Una say PNP a bust them pipe. Una say what go on? Una say the man them afraid of PNP like a bus. Me know my wisdom warriors, me tell you say them afraid. Me tell you every single day say them afraid, them a worry. Cause PNP have the place locked. All I see them come out and all him say man Daryl Vaz, but bring it on. Anybody who don't want to bring a Portland, bring it on. You're a coward, brother. This is why you say you want. Listen, and also government work go, brother. You are work for we, you're a public servant. You are work for we the people are the boss. So nobody but I can't talk about no take leave. But you want to take leave to fight. In other words, my wisdom warriors, what is he really talking about? Do we really want a man like Daryl Vaz to take leave to come fight? Eh? No, listen, I want to look into it, you know. You don't really want Daryl Vaz to take leave. Lord Jesus, now make me start talking things them, you know. Don't make me start talking things them over here, so. Because this a man, you know, in love, bring people up at the courthouse there. My wisdom warriors, PNP have the place locked down. PNP has stressed them out. Daryl Valls. I saw one of the afraid of PNP, man. My box cover. Me know so one of the afraid of PNP, but me never know say. I saw it did bad. For you offer for take leave to fight. For you a fight for somebody who steal taxpayer money. Or let me ask a question. Are you a part of the illicit eight? I'm only asking. Are you a part of the illicit eight? How you want get up for take leave for fight? A one leave we want you to take. And if you leave blouse and skirt Jamaica. And that are the only leave we want you to take. Damn bright and red. My wisdom warriors, Vaza advised the Prime Minister to head out and connect with the people of Jamaica. Well, go on Andrew Wellness, go ahead. Hey, we don't really support foolishness still, you know. Daryl Valls. Daryl Valls. But the whole are no corrupt still. Remember, say yesterday, I show you the whole of the scandal will take place. The whole of the scandal what them do. The whole of the scandal what them do, my wisdom warriors. You don't think it's a good organization, them? You don't think that these people is good, this Jamaica Labour Party? This Jamaica Labour Party are bring we back in a captivity. Pity unu no know. Pity unu Labour right no know. Unu don't even know. Andrew Holness, ask Andrew Holness why he wants to still be a part of the Privy Council. Even though he said he want to remove the king. Ask Andrew Holness, on a dirty king Labour right. Ask Andrew Holness why he want to be a part of the Privy Council. I tell you, say on Labour right, don't like a bat. Uno nah no sense. Uno nah no sense. Seriously. My blouse and skirt. Ask Andrew Holness that when you have Mark Golding say he don't want no 1 foot in and 1 foot out. Decanalize the people. But Andrew no want to do that. It come like you don't know what that mean. You don't know what that mean. Andrew Holness no want decanalize the Jamaican people. You don't see. You don't see. Say Andrew Holness want bring we back in a captivity. This is why they bring out the needs Jamaica. Me come over here day in and day out and me telling you about the needs. Me telling you about the needs. And then they have some dirty king labor out here running off their mouth. My wisdom warriors that talk about needs are biometric. You know idiot? So if needs are biometric, why are you putting Jamaican people on biometric? Biometric only used for immigration control. You know now see the levels. Pre the levels labor right. PNP out here are teaching you sense. Not nonsense. Sense we are teaching you. So if you look into yourself, go and do some research. Stop follow Andrew Holness. Because majority of the things, them 99% at the time, when Andrew Holness says he's going to do something, he doesn't keep up with it, Jamaica. Some are on labor right. Some are on labor right. Yeah? When Andrew Holness say 30 million for road, 80 million for water, you say, whoa, Prime Minister is doing good. When you check, years later, nothing not done. But you not do a follow up. You just taking word and say Prime Minister do. You for use on a brain, brother. That's why I not rate enough on the labor right. Some on the labor right, I rate because you have understanding. I not telling you to switch, you know. I not telling you to switch. You understand me? Because I already tell you, me am a PNP and me am a JLP. But I stand with any party that mean Jamaican well. And that me I try show you. You understand? So on the labor right. Andrew Holness is not doing well. I'm not even hearing no come out and say, no, what? Make Andrew Holness move and somebody else come in. No. This man take donation money and buy personal asset while a lot of Jamaican people is suffering and don't afford to eat. Like, what? Come on. A lot of people want land. A lot of people want house. You know how much land that could I buy? You know how much house that could I build? You know how much bed that could I buy? You see that donation? You know how much equipment that could I buy if you put in at the hospital? Come on, Jamaica. Come on, what is really going on? What is really happening? We have to take a stand before it is too late. We have to take a stand. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think. Tell me if you agree with Daryl Valls, if you go up and leave, if you fight for Andrew Holness. Hey! Andrew Holness in a courthouse, you know. Andrew only in a courthouse, Juliet only in a courthouse. This a man you know Daryl Vaz. Want come off, want stop work. If you go up and leave, fi fight for Andrew only so win another term. Hey boy, Daryl Vaz, you really here, you know. Why you not pack your rat it back and go back to America, boy? Why make you not pack your bag and go back to America, boy? Why? What we doing so? What we the Jamaican people doing so? Boy, you want to go up and leave, eh? You want to leave. Me tell you already, you know, the only leave we want you take if you come out of Jamaica and go back to America. You know, easy. Rank and out order. My wisdom warriors. I can't imagine a prime minister that is a lawmaker, a prime minister that is a legislator, that is bringing in the IC to court. Well, have the IC in court for struck out Section 14.5 that prosecute people that will steal taxpayer money. You can't imagine that? Hey, my wisdom warriors, I want to say some things. But you know what? I'm going to leave Uno for Uno say it in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel, my people. If you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember, when you subscribe to the channel, remember to turn on the post notification bell on and click all. When you click all, you get the video them straight away. If you click some of my video them, you go get, all right? Blessings upon blessings. One love.